Alright guys, Georgia Jim. I got a Toledo TBK92AL. This is pretty much an American lock clone. It has the same keyway, but clearly the key doesn't work because this is an American lock. We have the key back here. I tried to use a leashy on this, and a leashy will not work either. I'm not sure if that's because of the plate, but this is a 6-pin lock. Get that in there. And I believe just that little bit of extra spot on the plate prevents the leashy from going in fully. So, and also this can't be bypassed. So, pretty much all the way around an improvement on, as far as pick resistance, an improvement on the 1100. Just like the last Toledo we picked, I'll be using the 25,000 general reach from the Echelon set. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 2. All right. That was 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4. Got a false set. 5 is counter rotating. There we go. Next we'll click on 5 and 6. Go back and check 1. That's 2 I'm checking now. 3. Giving counter rotation. 4. Again. And there we go. All right. Go ahead and get this one gutted. And we'll look at that bitting. As we can see, that bitting is low with a bunch of highs. And even with that gentle reach, we were able to get all the pins just fine. So, all right. That down a little bit. There we go. And there is no bypass wafer. I'm wondering if this can be bypassed. I'll have to play with this a little bit more. But the other one, the actuator, was up top or on the other side. So I will play with this a little bit more and make sure it's not bypassable. If it is, I'll add a little follow-up to this video. All right. See if we can get this one off this time without launching one across the room. And much better. Grab a shim. Then we got the follower. Let's grab a key. And we almost had a gutting disaster, but nah. Let me just push this pin up a little bit. There we go. All right. Again, we got, looks like 6 pins. No, apparently not. It's only 5 pin. Make sure I didn't lose one. No, did I? Yeah. Okay. I was going to say, I know I felt 6. All right. So 6 pins. Again, nothing in the plug. No counter milling or over milling. All right. So pretty much this is just like the other Toledo. We got a standard on 1. I'm assuming we'll see a bump stop on 2. Yep. Spool. The rest should be spools. And we'll leave the springs in there. So, zoom in on that. Again, you got the standard bump stop, 4 spools, serrated key pins. So, that's the TBK92AL. Again, like I said, it's just like the other Toledo, and I would put these somewhere around like a kryptonite padlock or Ava 7240 in terms of about the amount of difficulty. This having an American, just move all that around. This having an American keyway does make picking a lot easier than something like the 7240. You can get a bigger pick in, you can get more leverage. So, as far as pick resistance, I think it's easier than an American, but still in that green belt territory of difficulty. All right, guys, thanks.